Kid Friendly TV.
Hey guys, it's Pete from Kid Friendly TV, and today we're playing with this Thomas & Friends Trackmaster Close Call Cliff Set. This looks really awesome. It says Thomas will do a sharp 360-degree turn. And it even comes with a Thomas train that we can play with. So that'll be a lot of fun. I'm really excited to play with this, so let's get it out of the box and see what Thomas will do. Here is the Thomas that comes with the Close Call Cliff set. He has his number 1, and this is a motorized Thomas, so when we flip this switch up here, Thomas is ready to go down the track. Alright, we have Thomas all set up on the track. Let's see what he can do. Whoa, Thomas knocked over all the rocks. Here he goes back up the cliff. That is awesome. And look, Thomas changes his switcher so he goes back up a different way every time. That is really cool, Thomas. Let's take a closer look at the cliff where you do the 360-degree turn. Here comes Thomas to the turn. Whoa. And check this out. Under each of the rocks that Thomas knocks over, there's a secret. Under this rock, there's a snake. And under this rock, it looks like dinosaur bones. And under this rock, looks like some wood and a pickaxe and an axe here. That is really cool. What a neat surprise to find. Let's see what happens if we put both Thomas and Percy on the track together. Wonder if there's going to be a big crash coming down the cliff. Let's see. Let's let Percy go first. And here comes Thomas. Oh, a crash! Good crash, Percy. This time let's just see if you can make it by yourself. Whoa, good job, Percy. The Thomas and Friends Close Call Cliff Set is a lot of fun to play with. I really love how Thomas comes up the cliff, does a full 360-degree turn, and goes right back down the cliff. What an awesome job, Thomas. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe to Kid Friendly TV. We have daily fun toy videos, so please make sure and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the action. We'll see you guys in our next video.
Hey guys, it's Whitney
And Pete from Kid Friendly TV, and today we have some really exciting news.
We have the Paw Patrol Air Patroller.
How awesome does that thing look?